Hi friends, this is Abu Moses. Here I will explain the project source code. The name of the project is Phone Repair Management System. The Phone Repair Management System is a file-based CRUD system. Moving further, we have the header files. A header file is a collection of related predefined functions. In the header files, we have #include stdio.h. stdio.h stands for standard input-output header. In this header file, the main function, the printf function, the scanf function, and the file functions that are used in this project are declared and defined inside the stdio.h header file. Again, we have the #include stdlib.h. stdlib.h stands for standard library header. In this standard library header, the random function is declared and defined. We use the random function in this project to generate random numbers. Again, we have #include cnew.h. cnew.h is a non-standard library function. Inside the non-standard library function, the getch function is declared and defined. We use the getch function for masking of the password. Again, we have #include time.h. time.h is a standard library header that provides functions and data types for working with date and time. Moving further, we have the preprocessor macro. A macro is nothing but a replacement text. Here we have #define enter, #define tab, #define backspace. That is, the ASCII value for the enter key is 13. The ASCII value for the tab key is 9. The ASCII value for the backspace key is 8. That is, whenever you see 13, you are referring to the enter key. Whenever you see 9, we are referring to tab. Whenever you see 8, we are referring to backspace. Moving further again, we have the structures. A structure is nothing but user-defined data type. Here we have the structure called phone. The name of the structure is phone, and it consists of 5 members. We have the phone ID, brand, model, IMEI number, and issue, all of which are of character array type, which is nothing but a string in C programming. Moving further, we also have another structure here known as repair job. The repair job structure consists of 7 members. We have job ID, phone ID, technician ID, repair date, status, technician, and estimated cost, all of which are of character array type except in the case of estimated cost, which is a floating type of variable. Again, we have a structure known as customer. The customer structure consists of 6 members. We have customer ID, customer name, phone number, email, address, and password, all of which are of character array type, which is nothing but a string. Moving further, we have a structure known as technician. The technician structure consists of 5 members. We have technician ID, technician name, specialization, phone, and email. Again, we have a structure here known as parts. The part structure consists of 4 members. We have part ID, part name, quantity, and price. Moving further, here we have function prototypes, also known as function declaration. Function declaration informs the compiler about 3 things: the name of the function, the number and type of arguments received by the function, and the type of value returned by the function. Whenever you see the void keyword followed by a name of a function, it means the function is not returning any value. Here in our own case, the repair center function is not returning any value and it is not taking any argument. Here we have a function also known as validate admin. The validate admin function is accepting no argument and it is returning a value. It is returning an integer value. We also have a function here known as max password. The max password function is accepting a single argument which is of a character array type and it is returning no value, hence the void keyword here. Whenever you see the void keyword followed by a name of a function, it means the function is not returning any value. So here now, these are all the function prototypes that are used in this project. These are all the function prototypes. For example, this update email function. The update email function is accepting a single argument which is of a character array type and it is returning no argument, hence the void keyword. Moving further, we have the main function. The main function is the function which is known as the entry point of any program in this language. In a situation where there is only one function in the project, then that function must be the main function. Here inside the main function, we have some local variables that are declared here. These local variables here, they are local to this main function. After that, we have a function here known as srand. We call the srand function and pass it time as an argument. What this srand function will do? The srand function is used to set the starting value of the random number generated by the random function. That is, we are using this srand function to seed the random number generated by the random function. After that, we have the repair center function. The repair center function will display a welcome screen to the user. Again, we have the do while loop. Here in this project, we use the do while loop to display some menu on the screen. These are the menus that we use the do while loop to display here on the screen. These are the menus. Now, since this project is a file-based CRUD system, we use the fprintf function and fscanf function for reading and writing to file. These two functions here are used for reading and writing formatted text to file, that is plain text. The two functions accept at least two arguments and if possible more, depending on the format specifiers. So here, these are the file functions that are used for reading and writing information to a file in this project. If you are having any question or doubt, write in the comment section. Thank you very much.